The Young and the Restless and its sister show The Bold and the Beautiful had an amazing journey this past year, despite the fact that both of these shows were significantly affected by the pandemic. We must say the storylines were on point and the actors did an amazing job. Speaking of the actors, both of the shows had pretty amazing newcomers this year, which spiced up the canvas really well. So this video is solely dedicated to honor 2020's top newcomers of Y&R and B&B.
Hey everyone, welcome to Trend Street.
During the February sweep, Y&R revealed a lot of information from Amanda Sinclair's past. The show brought in Ripley Turner, her fiancé, on the canvas. Actor Christian Keyes played this villainous role in 7 episodes. Turner was a very dangerous man that Amanda had been hiding from in Genoa City after filing a restraining order against him. One day, Turner paid a surprise visit to Amanda at the hotel she had been staying. Turner kept insisting that he was a changed man and that he had been taking anger management classes. It later became clear that whatever he said earlier was a lie, as he came up with a dangerous plan of taking her life. After hearing of the Newman Enterprises anniversary party, Turner decided to use the event to his advantage. Unfortunately, Victoria Newman got stabbed instead. Maria Di Domenico made her debut on Y&R in March of 2020, shortly before the production at Y&R was slammed due to coronavirus. She played the role of Alyssa Montalvo, a childhood best friend of Adam whom he met while on his vacation in Kansas. Eventually, Alyssa became a part of a big storyline involving the mysterious death of her father, AJ Montalvo. At first, both Alyssa and Adam believed that Victor Newman was responsible for the death of AJ. However, in a shocking plot twist, the truth was revealed that Adam himself was the killer of his best friend's father. Initially, after learning the truth, Alyssa decided to leave GC and the people in it for good, but later she somehow had a change of heart and wanted to ruin Adam's life. As a result, she teamed up with Billy and published an expose on Adam. Billy tried to contact her to write a sequel to the expose, but she declined, saying that she was finished with revenge. Michael Macklin also joined the Y&R cast around the same time as Maria Di Domenico. He made his debut on the show on March 5th, playing the role of Jared, a teenager. He showed up in front of Devon's clinic during a stormy night, bleeding from his arms, claiming that his grandfather's store was robbed. He left hurriedly but came back again, asking for help to save his grandfather. Unfortunately, Elena and Nate could not save the old man. Later, Jared got into an altercation with his landlord and even got arrested. It reminded Devon of his old days, and thus he grew a special attachment with him. Devon ultimately offered Jared a job at his clinic. Madison Thompson is the newest addition to the Y&R cast. She made her debut on October 27th, playing the role of Jordan. The name popped up on TV a couple of times before the character herself, as Faith was seen exchanging text messages with her on the phone. Later, Faith introduced her to the family as the sister of one of her friends named Madison. Tanner Novlan joined the cast of The Bold and the Beautiful in July this year as Dr. John Finnegan, the long-awaited new romantic interest for Steffy Forrester. He helped Steffy through her pain mid-addiction, and it seemed like she was falling for the handsome doctor. But Finn has no idea what Steffy has been doing behind his back. It looks like his days on the show might be numbered. Empire actress Diamond White began playing Paris Buckingham on November 2nd. Out of nowhere, Paris was introduced as Zoe's sister and is already involved in a romantic storyline with Zendaya Forrester. We're really looking forward to the dramatic sister rivalry between Zoe and Paris as they fight over Zendaya. Another new face that we saw this year on The Bold and the Beautiful was a recast. Delon Day Metz debuted as the handsome and confident lawyer Zendaya Forrester on October 7th. The role was previously portrayed by Rome Flynn and Daniel Lee Smith. Who is your favorite new face of 2020? Let us know in the comments below.
Thank you for checking this video out. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. Turn that bell notification on if you want to hear from us, and comment down below if you've subscribed, and we'll make sure to reply and thank as many of you as we possibly can.